Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children. Okay, all sit straight. Sit straight, children. Sit in a comfortable position. No one should be distracted, okay? Sit straight and
Ma'am, I can't hear you, ma'am. Ma'am, I can't hear your voice, ma'am.
wait. Now we all can hear, children.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, sit straight. Everyone sit straight. Okay. All came, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now shall I take attendance, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone came, right?
Yes,
Aarti?
morning, ma'am. Present,
Anshi present. Chandana? Charish?
Present, ma'am.
Dheeraj? Arshita K? Arshita KR?
Present, ma'am.
Emisha?
Present, ma'am.
Eitanshi?
Absent, ma'am. Present,
Eitanshi?
ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Joshna? Joshna?
Joshna, absent, ma'am.
Krutya?
Present, ma'am.
Mahinder Reddy? Mahinder Reddy absent. Niharika?
Absent, ma'am.
Niharika present or absent?
Absent, ma'am. Absent, ma'am.
Prapti?
Present, ma'am.
Preeta? Preeta?
Absent, ma'am. Absent, ma'am.
Raghavendra? Sumen?
Absent, ma'am.
Sumen? Tanmay Shri?
Present, ma'am.
Teju? Kamogna Teju? Varsha? Varun?
Present, ma'am.
Okay, children.
Ma'am, Joshna here, ma'am.
Okay, Joshna. Okay, so in our I called Varsha. Okay, so in our previous class we have learned about CPU, isn't it? What we have learned in the previous class, children?
CPU, ma'am.
Okay, so in today's class we're going to see second chapter. Okay, you all have textbooks, no, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Take out your textbooks.
Page number, ma'am.
Once again.
Ma'am, page number 31, ma'am.
1 second, dear.
Ma'am, page number, ma'am.
second chapter, page number 22.
Ma'am.
Page number 20. Okay, children. Everyone to page number 22, second chapter.
22, ma'am.
Page number 22.
Good morning, sir.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So our second chapter is GUI operating system. What is our second chapter?
GUI
Operating system. Okay. So
GUI operating system.
okay. So what is the meaning of GUI? Means graphical interface. Graphical user interface. Okay. What is the meaning of GUI? Graphical. Repeat, children. Graphical user interface. Tell me, children, what is the meaning of GUI? Graphical user interface. Okay. See here, I will share the picture. Those who don't have textbook, mute your videos and listen to the explanation. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Who don't have textbook?
Ma'am, I have, ma'am.
One second, children. Okay, everyone can see, children.
Yes, ma'am.
So what is our second chapter name?
GUI
Operating
system.
So introduction. Okay, so what is this GUI operating system? Okay, see, I will learn and like that only I'll explain y'all. Children, you could be knowing that the principal controls the activities of the school, isn't it, children? Who controls the activities of the school, children?
Principal.
Okay, so our principal ma'am only controls all the school activities, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So like that only, operating system is like a principal in the school. Okay. In computer, operating system is most important. If operating system is not there, we can't even work on the computer. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
We have learned about operating system in our previous class itself, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So, what is operating system? Operating system controls all the devices in the computer. No one should touch the screen. See here, Varsha.
Yeah, no.
Okay, so working on the computer, operating system is most important. Okay, so he finalized the timetable of the classes. He sends an appropriate teacher to in a particular period to the class, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So first period English means second period also you are learning English only, children?
No, yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
No, ma'am.
So, First period English means second period we will learn Kannada, isn't it? So principal ma'am controls our school activities, right? So same way even in
Somebody scratching,
all the
ma'am.
activities is being controlled by operating system. Okay, who control which what controls the activities of computer, children?
Operating system.
Emisha only is there in the class. Everyone unmute and tell which controls the activities of the computer.
Operating system.
So all the activities what we are doing in the computer is controlled by operating system. Okay. I told you all the examples. No, in mobile phone we have Android, isn't it?
Yes,
Yes. If we install Android only, the mobile will be used. Otherwise, there is no use of mobile. So same way, even in computer, we should install this operating system. Then only our computer will work. Okay. If you on the computer, first you can see window, no children.
Yes, ma'am.
Few minutes that window will come and go. No. So that is only operating system. Y'all can hear my voice, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so did you understand what is operating system?
Yes.
ಆಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ
When it's time, stop talking in Kannada, Telugu. Okay. Now take page number 23, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we took.
See here, school transport system, everything is controlled by principal, isn't it? So same way, even in computer, operating system controlled. Okay. So next, operating system. Like principal of a school, operating system. Varsha, don't touch the screen, ma. Like principal
Yes,
of a
ma'am.
school, operating system controls various activities of a computer system. Okay, children? Did you understand that point? So like
Okay,
principal controls the school,
Yes, ma'am.
operating system controls various activities. Emisha, don't touch that. Operating activities of a computer system. It sets environment for smooth working of a computer. Okay. So if computer should work properly without any problem, operating system is most important. Okay. It helps the computer to get ready to receive instruction from you. Y'all can hear me now, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Krutya, you can't hear me.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. It sets environment for smooth working of a computer. It helps the computer to get ready to receive instruction from you. Okay. So when we going and sitting on the computer, we will work anything, isn't it? We can't go and sit simply in the computer,
Yes.
children. So we will go and do anything in the computer. So to receive instructions from the user, this operating system is okay. What we are going to do, operating system is
Ma'am,
when you
Ma'am,
switch on your
someone
computer.
is back.
Varsha,
Ma'am,
don't talk much.
No, ma'am, I didn't scratch.
If you wanted to talk, right, mute your videos and talk after. Don't talk in between the class, okay? Mute your videos and listen to me. Afterwards, I will ask you all to learn. So when you switch on your computer, it displays a screen showing window 8 or window 10 for a few seconds. Okay. So those who have computers at home, you can try this. So once you on the computer for few seconds, the window will be displayed on the desktop. So if window is installed only, we can the computer will be worked. Okay, if window is not installed, it will not be worked. There is no use of computer. Finally, the system is ready for the user. Okay, did you understand, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone can learn that?
Ma'am.
Varsha, learn ma. Operating system.
Which
Learn
one, ma'am?
operating system, like
Like principle of your school.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Like principle of your school, operating system controls various activities of a computer system. It sets environments of smooth working of a computer. It helps the computer to get ready to service instructions from Windows 8 or Windows 10. For a few seconds, finally the system is ready for the user.
Very good. So, did you understood, no, children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So next, functions of a operating system. Okay. This today homework is you have to learn this. Okay.
We should do the video, ma'am. Ma'am, we should do a video and send you, ma'am.
Yes.
This one, ma'am.
Function.
Operation system. Ma'am, we can see, ma'am.
No, I will make it as a small sentence and I will send you all. You have to write and send me. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now I'll explain you.
do the video, ma'am.
I will say you that in the group. Okay. Now you all listen, children. Functions of an operating system. Functions means, so with help of operating system, what and all we can do, we are going to learn now. Okay. The different functions of an operating system are, it interacts with the hardware and software. Okay. So interacts means communicating. What is interacting, children?
Communicating, ma'am.
So operating system controls both hardware and software. Okay. So if hardware is not there, there is no use of software. If software is not there, there is no use of hardware. Okay. So this operating system interacts with both hardware and software. Okay. It coordinates and assigns the task of the software. Coordinates means controlling. Okay. What the software should do. Which time it should do.
Breaking, ma'am.
My voice is breaking. Now you are connecting, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. It coordinates. Coordinates means what software should do, what time it should on, when it should off, everything coordinates by this operating system. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
It
Okay, ma'am.
interprets.
No, ma'am.
It interprets the commands and instructions. Okay. Interprets means what? Explains the meaning. Okay. What is interprets?
Explains the meaning.
Okay. So I told no, computer can't understand languages, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Computer can understand only binary language, zeros and ones. Okay. So what instruction, what command the user is giving, everything this operating system explains and gives the correct answer to the user in the computer. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Next, it decays the error present in the system. Okay. What error? If the computer is not working properly, all the error means mistakes. everything it decays, it controls, it shows the correct answer, what error is present in the computer system. Everything in the computer system is controlled by operating system. Okay, children,
Okay, ma'am.
did you understand the 4 points in functions of operating system?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Emisha, learn that 4 points, ma.
Which one, ma'am?
Functions of operating system.
The different functions of an operating system are in it interacts with the hardware and software. It coordinates
Coordinates.
We can't see you, ma'am.
and
Yes,
assigns
ma'am.
the tasks of
Ma'am, I can't hear your voice, ma'am.
I'm not learning, ma. Emisha is learning. Listen to Emisha.
it interprets
Interprets.
of commands and instructions. It detects the
Decays.
detects
Present
the
in the.
errors present in the system. An
Very good.
operating
Enough done. Okay. Next, Krutia, learn the functions of operating system. Where is Krutia? Krutia, you can't hear me. Tanmay,
Yes, ma'am.
learn the
Which one, ma'am?
functions of an operating system.
The different functions of an operating systems are it interacts with the hardware and software, it coordinates and assigns the tasks to the software, it interrupts and the commanders and instructions. It displays the error present in the system, ma'am.
Very good. Okay, see, next, an operating system provides two different environment for the user. What is that first one? Command user interface. What is that? Interface. User interface. Second is graphical user interface. Okay, example is DOS environment and Windows environment. Okay, so what is this user interface? What is this? User interface means an interface or user. User means the person who is using who is using the computer. Okay, who is user? The person who is using the computer. Now I'm going and sitting in front of computer. Now I'm going and sitting in the front of computer means I am the user. Okay. Did you understand, children?
Yes, ma'am.
User means the person who is working on the computer. Interface allows us to communicate with the computer and its devices. Okay. Did you understand, children?
yes, ma'am.
So if I'm going and using in the computer means what I am doing on the computer, what are the things I am doing on the computer. So these things we can see in the command user interface. Okay. Did you understand, children? See
Yes,
example,
ma'am.
icons, buttons, everything we will go and touch in the computer, no? Buttons,
Yes, ma'am.
icons, icons means we have apps in the mobile, no, children, like WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, like this we have apps, no?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
in computer we have Microsoft Paint, everything, MS Word, like this we have, no? So these are icons. If we touch that, it will be opened. So everything what we are doing on the computer, that is what are we are touching on the computer is command user interface. Okay. See, I will share the picture for you all. You all can see that.
Zoom. Zoom open.
Can you see
Your voice
this?
is not audible, ma'am.
Now,
Ma'am, I can't hear you, ma'am.
now you all can hear me, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you see the picture I've shared on the screen?
Yes, ma'am, we can see.
Okay, so that is
Yes,
command line is there,
ma'am.
no, that is command user. Okay, don't get confused. Command user. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
it is a text-based interface. What is that?
It is a text-based interface.
It is
Here-
a text page interface.
Okay, you have to keep this in mind. Here we are typing. Okay, we are user. I am the user. Those using the computer, no. So in this command line interface, the user will give the information. The user will give the command. Okay, we will type. Okay, children,
Okay, ma'am.
we will type and we will give the information. Can you see the picture here?
Yes, ma'am.
See, like this, we will type in the command user interface. Okay, it is a text-based interface. In this, the user will give the command. So those who using the computer will give command in this command user interface. Okay, children, did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
In this command user interface, the person who is using the computer will give the command. Okay, so next we have graphical user interface. Okay, next what we have?
Graphical user interface.
It is a graphic based interface. In this, the user clicks buttons, icons, toolbar, etc. Okay, example Windows 7. See here, can you see this picture?
Yes, ma'am.
I told no, in
Yes, ma'am.
command user interface, we will type, okay, we will give the command. But in this graphic use interface, it will be present already in the computer. We have to click. Understood, children?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
See, here we have many options, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Like
Ma'am,
if
I
you want
cannot
to,
see, ma'am.
this picture is not clear. This window you can see, no?
Yes, ma'am. We can see.
Yes. Here we have many options, isn't it?
Ma'am, I can't hear your voice, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Can you hear my voice, children?
Yes, ma'am. We can hear, ma'am. Yes,
My
ma'am. We
voice
can
now?
hear, ma'am. Ma'am, your voice is not audible, ma'am.
Okay, children.
can't hear you, ma'am.
Where you have tower, right? You have to sit there, children. If tower problem comes, so you all can't hear me. Okay, so you can see your icon, small letters, no, children.
Yes,
I cannot see, ma'am.
Here, the user clicks the buttons and
cannot see,
icons.
ma'am.
Okay. What we want,
Okay,
we can click here and we can use. But here we should
I cannot
type and we should give command. Did you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any doubt in command user interface and graphical user interface, children?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Here we should give the command and we should type what we want. Here in this graphical user interface, the icons, buttons are already present. What we want, we can click. Example is Windows 7. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
In Windows, we will be having all the options. What we want, what icon you all want, you all can click and you all can use. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so after that, what you have in the textbook? What is the second next topic? Single user operating system.
Ma'am, first
Wait, I'll show you all.
Ma'am.
single use of operating system, ma'am.
And multi-user operating system. Okay. So we learned now command user interface, graphical user interface. Now we will learn the single user operating system. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
You all have textbook, no? Everyone take out your
Yes,
textbook,
ma'am.
page number 24. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So what is this single user interface? Okay. It allows only one user to log into the computer. Okay. Single means what,
I
children?
can't hear you, ma'am.
Single means what, children?
One, ma'am.
Single means only one, isn't it?
Ma'am, single means only one, ma'am.
Yeah. Single means only
One
one.
is only one.
So in this single user operating system, only one person can use the computer. Okay. How many person can use the computer?
Only one person, ma'am.
One person
One.
can.
Use.
Yes, in single user interface, only one person can log into the computer at a time. Okay. So at a time, only one person can use the single user operating system. It is usually used in home. Okay. In house, we have computer, no children. In home, you have computers, no.
Yes,
Many
ma'am.
people use this computer at the same time.
No,
Many
ma'am.
people.
No,
Right.
ma'am.
So
No,
only
ma'am.
only one person can use computer at one time. So that is single user operating system. In schools and homes, only one person will use the computer. That is single user operating system. So what is second? Multi-user operating system. What is second?
Multi-user operating system.
So second is multi-user operating system. Okay, multi means many. What is multi?
Many.
Many. Single means only one person. Multi means many person. Here, many people can use the computer. Okay, it allows many people to operate the computer system at a time. No, who's touching the screen and drawing some? Emisha, look at the textbook here. I did not share that picture. Here, look at the textbook and learn.
Ma'am,
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
I can't hear you, ma'am.
Varsha, where tower is there? Come and sit there, Varsha.
Ma'am, I'm there only, ma'am.
Everyone can hear me, only you can't. Everyone can hear me, children.
Yes, ma'am, we can hear you, ma'am.
See, Varsha.
Yes, ma'am.
See where tower is there. Ask help from your mother and come and sit there, dear.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So multi-user means many people can use the computer at the time. Okay.
Okay,
There are
ma'am.
many computer. Many computer will be attached to one computer. Okay, children. So in one computer, what we are doing, it can be seen to many computers. In offices and all, in big offices, we have many computers, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
In home, we will be having 1,100 computer, children.
Yes, ma'am.
In house, we will be having 100,000 computers.
No, ma'am.
So, one or two computers we will be having in the home. So single person will handle that computer. But in offices and all, we have many computers, isn't it?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
there many people will use the computer. One computer will be attached to many computer. What are the things you present in this computer? It will be present in all the computers. Like that, the settings will be done. Okay. Did you understand, children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Linux and Unix computers. Okay, so today's class we have learned what is operating system, functions of operating system, command user interface, graphical user interface, single user and multi-user. Anyone have any doubt, children?
No, ma'am.
No one have any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay, now? Okay, now you have to repeat after me, okay?
Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
So now what is operating system?
Ma'am, page number, ma'am.
Page number is 23. See in this box. So after operating system, you have one box here, no children.
Yes, ma'am.
So in that, the meaning of operating system is given. Okay. Mahendra Reddy, you are present. You did not say present only, right? Why, ma'am? I
Present,
put an
ma'am.
accent. Okay. What is operating system? Operating system is defined as a set of computer programs that helps the computer to operate smoothly. Mark here. That's the operating system. That and all you all don't write, children. Operating system is defined as a set of computer programs that helps the computer to operate smoothly. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Y'all can see everyone mad.
Where?
I will write and send you in the group, okay? But you also mark and learn meaning of operating system and functions of operating system. Today you have to learn and write and you have to send to me, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, where is functions operating system, meaning of operation system?
Operation system, operating system, Avarsha. Here. You have your operating system, no? Down one orange color box you have see.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
have no, Varsha? There you have see. Thus an operating system is there, no? Don't write that thus operating system and all.
Operating, ma'am.
Ma'am, where to where?
I don't know.
Not that this way. You all cannot see here.
Ma'am, we can see ma'am orange color box from to where, ma'am? Operating system.
From operating system to operate smoothly. Second line. Computer to operate smoothly.
We should copy in the notes, ma'am.
Operating,
Notes
ma'am,
I
from
will give
operating system to smoothly, ma'am.
Notes I will give you all separately after completing the chapter. Today's homework you all write, children.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
I will. Okay, if you have doubts, no. After class, I will send you all in the group. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, children. Thank you. Bye.
Ma'am, we'll paste the homework, ma'am.
Bye.
We'll paste the homework, ma'am.
Yeah, I will send homework in the group. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
You all have to write 3 times.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, bye.